Hey, I'm Hector Garcia. I'm a biochemistry major. I'm a rising sophomore here at Stony Brook University, and we are at Stony Brook's Lipid Cancer Lab. I've come to really love it because the interaction that you have within the cells is really amazing because you can grow them, they're depending on you, and then you use them for their proteins, their RNAs, and to learn more about what cell biology is all about. I have also come to get to know a lot of great people, a lot of great researchers, and that taught me a lot about what it takes to be a great researcher. Let's go look at what I'm researching. So this is our tissue culture room where we grow most of our cells for the experience that we do. In this lab specifically, we do a lot of breast cancer research. So we gotta set up the hood because I gotta do some cell culture work, and everything that we do that relates to live cells, it has to be sterile. Now we're gonna feed some colonies that I have growing. Make sure that your hands are clean. Okay, pipette everything inside the hood to not contaminate any of the colonies. In a couple of days they'll be stained, and we'll be able to quantify how many colonies we're able to form and how many we're able to grow. Thank you for spending the day in the lab with me. Hopefully we see you in the lab soon.